Chapter 7 Worksheet Key. Number 1. To be a complete sentence, a group of words must have a subject, a verb, and make complete sense. If it doesn't make complete sense, it is a fragment. Number 2. Maggie and I are going to New York soon. We must use are because Maggie and I is a compound subject, so therefore we need a plural verb. Is, am, and was are singular, are is plural. Number 3. Complements with an E are words that describe or rename the subject, unlike complements with an I that are the nice words about someone or something. Number 4. A group of words that has a subject and a verb but not a complete thought is called a fragment. Verbs that end in S are singular, and most nouns that end in S are plural. Number 7. Sentences with a singular subject require a singular verb. They must match. Number 8. Here is a list of 5-star cruise ships. You need to have is because list is the subject of the sentence, and the list is here. Number 9. When a sentence starts with here or there, the subject comes after the verb. In normal sentences, the subject comes before the verb, but if you start it with here or there, that makes an inverted sentence, which means the subject comes after the verb. Number 10. Sentences with a singular subject require a singular verb. Number 11. Quality food and excellent service are expected. We have food and service as our subjects, and since there are two, you need a plural verb, which is are. My friend and colleague are experienced artists. Well, there's only one artist because it doesn't have an S here. So if there's only one artist, it needs to be a singular verb, which is. The chief cursor or the assistant are ready to help. Well, we have an or, the assistant. So what is after the or? Assistant. Okay, so we have 1, 2 subjects, therefore it requires a plural verb. Neither the cat nor the dogs was given treats. Well, we can't have that one because after the neither or comes after the dogs. Okay, the dogs were given treats, so that's not right. Number 12b. Neither the captain nor the manager accepts responsibility. Well, here we have another neither nor. What comes after nor? Manager. Manager is singular. You have to have a singular verb, which is accepts. Sunbathing and jogging is my favorite activity. Here again, we have 2 subjects, and if you have 2 subjects, you have to have a plural verb. And plural verbs are. Number 13. Etiwanda Cruise Line offers special group rates. That is not correct because it's Etiwanda Cruise Line is the subject. It's one cruise line. So the verb has to be offers, which makes it singular like the subject. Number 14. Proper attire as well as courtesy and civil behavior is expected. So we have attire, courtesy, and civil behavior. That's 3 subjects, so you have to have a plural verb, which is are. The ports of call is usually considered during selecting a cruise. Well, the ports is a subject here. Ports is plural, is a singular, so that is not right. Travel agents with training and experience are very helpful. Okay, the subject here is agents, and agents are plural, plural. Okay, not one of the pilots was trained for jets. We have one as a subject here, not pilots, because we're talking one was trained. Rachel and Cecilia are traveling in Europe. Okay, we have 2 subjects, therefore we need a plural verb. True or false? A verb phrase must have a subject. That is false. A phrase must have the subject and a verb, but doesn't have to make sense. No, that is also false. They're prepositional phrases which have no subject. Sorry. And verb phrases that have no subjects. Number 19, the subject tells what the sentence is about. That is true. And number 20, all verbs need helping verbs, and that is false.